What's going on, guys? This is G here, and today we got babies born. Probably born yesterday, but I didn't see it be born yesterday, so today counts for me. But it's here. Took the Goulian out of here. They're on Goulian eggs. Got one Goulian in there. These babies already. Oh, they started laying. I gotta start putting other eggs in here. And that's it. Everybody's good, guys. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Lots of babies is being born on my off season. There's a video that's gonna be coming out soon. Stay tuned for that, guys. Bye-bye now.